up, what up? I'm the math teacher goat, and we're going to do more addition problems. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to take this guy, plus that guy, maybe even plus that guy, a bunch of them. A bunch, so many. I'm going to ask you that you hit the subscribe button, please. Maybe you like the video if you think this video is decent. Get some paper, get some pencils, because I will do a few problems, and then I'll have you pause the screen and you do a few problems, and we'll check our work to make sure everybody is honky-dory. All right, so let's get into this. If you haven't watched my first addition video, you should probably watch that first. And if you haven't, just welcome aboard anyway. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding 3 objects. These are called addends, if you're wondering what they're called. They're called addends. And what we're going to do is add 3 of them. The rules don't really change. You're just going to have to do a little bit more mental math this time and keep numbers in your head. So this is going to be me pointing to my brain a lot, okay, because we're going to be doing a lot of mental math. Remember, every time we add up a column, if you go above 10, you carry a 1. This time, we're going to go above 19. So we'll deal with that when we get to that. But let's just get right into it. Now again, we're starting at the ones. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we write an 8. Don't carry anything over. This is where things get a little weird. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18, so write down the 8 and carry the 1. Okay? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11, and since this is our last digit, we write out 11. There's 4 digits, so 1, 2, 3, put a comma there, and our answer is 1,188. You want to do another one? Of course you do. Otherwise, why would you watch this? Start all the way at the ones place value. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 0 is 15. So write out your 5, carry your 1. And let's keep going. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. So we write out our 3 and carry a 2. Oh, that didn't happen last time. Well, it's going to happen now because we're adding more and more and more. So let's keep going. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write out your 1, carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus nothing is 4. And 4 plus 3 is 7. 1, 2, 3 digits, write out a comma. Our answer is 7,135. So when we add 3,489 plus 256 plus 3,390, we ended up with 7,135. So if you're looking at this and saying, oh, it's not that bad, it's just more numbers. Good, you're absolutely right. It's not that bad. It is just more numbers, and you'll be fine. Just keep waving your hands like this, and you'll be just fine. So you try it. Make sure you have pencil and paper on you. Pause the screen, and when you're ready, unpause it, and we'll go over it. Welcome back. It's been a minute. I missed you. So let's do this. Hopefully you got it right. Go to the ones place value. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So write out the 1, carry a 1. Okay? 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So we're going to write out a 1 and carry the 2. Okay? 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Write out your 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 9. Nope. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. And since this is our last digit, we can write out that whole 17. We have 5 digits for this one. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2. 17,611. Okay? So this only gets more complicated when we just add more add-ins, which is what we're going to do here. We're adding more add-ins. So a little bit more stuff in your brain that you have to keep in your brain. Okay? So go to the ones place value and let's try it again. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. Took me a minute there. 23. So you'll put a 3 here and carry a 2. Okay? Let's do the tens column. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. Write out the 7, carry your 1. Okay? I know it's tricky. You just got to keep those numbers in your head. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. And 11 plus 2 is 13. Write out your 3, carry your 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. So since that's your last number, we can write out all of 18. We have 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2 digits, so this is in the 10,000s. And we end up with 18,373. Okay? Let's do another one. Just keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. All right, ones place value. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we write out 7. Nothing carries over. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry your 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. And 20 plus 8 is 28. So you write out your 8, carry your 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus nothing is 17. Write out 7, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus nothing there is still 22. The Taylor Swift special. Carry your 2. And all we have to do is 2 plus 5, which is 7. And we've got ourselves a 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, a 6-digit number. 727,847. That's how much money I make in a week. Well, not yet. We'll see. I need your help, though. All right. Pause the screen. Give it a shot. Come back. Let's see if we got it right. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is still 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Nothing carries over. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. And 13 plus 8 is 21. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry the 1. And we'll just plop it right there because all we have to do is 1 plus 5, which is 6. No double digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, so we'll put the comma right there. 644,149. This fun? As long as there's just 4 numbers, as long as it doesn't go beyond 4 numbers to add. Thank God. Now we just have a few word problems. Word problems are fun. You just turn them into regular math problems, we'll be all right. A school library received 235 new books in September and, keyword, and 418 more, another keyword, books in October. How many books did the library receive in total? Okay, well, if they received 235 in September and 418 more, that's an addition problem. More means adding to. So we are going to add 235 plus 418. So we do it the way we have been doing it. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Have a 5 there. Don't carry anything else. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, this is a word problem. So what we need to do is explain what we're dealing with. How many books did the library receive in total? The library received 653 books. Okay? So make sure if it's a word problem, you answer using, I don't know, words. Sorry if I got a little sassy on you. I didn't mean to get all sassy on you. I just felt sassy at the moment. A football stadium had 24,368 people attend the game on Saturday and 32,741 people on Sunday. What is the total attendance for the weekend? Well, for totals, we're going to add again. We're going to add 24,368 plus 32,741. So let's add those numbers up, okay, the way we did last time. 8 plus 1 is 9. Nothing carries over. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write out the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. Write out your 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Nothing carries over. And 2 plus 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3 digits, put a comma there. Now, what are we supposed to do? What was the total attendance for the weekend? So we will say the total, and I like totals, the total attendance for the weekend was 57,109 people. Did you get the I like totals joke? I like totals. I like turtles. It's the Zombie Kid. It's an old video. It's an oldie but a goodie. Speaking of goodie, you're going to do this one on your own. So you read this to yourself. Okay, pause the screen, read it to yourself, set up your problem, go from there. Go ahead, pause it now. Welcome back. A school raised $3,672 in the first month of their fundraiser and $4,815 in the second month. How much money did they raise in total? Well, if you're doing total again, you're adding again. So that's going to be 3,672 plus 4,815. 2 plus 5 is 7. Nothing carries over. 7 plus 1 is 8. Nothing carries over. 6 plus 8 is 14. So write out your 4, carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. So we end up with 8,487. Now what is this? Dollars. How much money did they raise in total? They raised 8,487, and we'll put the dollar sign in total. Okay, so that's it. Adding a bunch of numbers, doing a couple word problems, not so bad, not so bad at all. The next one is going to be subtraction, so make sure you're ready for that. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, tell all of your friends about me. Bye.